All right, we're going to do a couple of packs today. I had a request from a buddy of mine, Ron Hoyt, to open up some football packs. And I actually picked up two 1990 Topps wax packs from McNulty Sports Cards out of Stewart. Good father-son team, Chris and Dominic. Great place. It's like a second home to me. Don't get there nearly as much as I'd like to. But we'll go ahead and start with this 1990 Topps football. 15 cards, wax pack. It's got gum in it. And not too familiar with the rookies in this pack. The baseball stuff I've got some pretty good knowledge about, but as far as football goes, I pretty much am just familiar with the household names, so we'll see what we get in this pack, and if there's any good rookies, let me know. Yeah, it looks like the gum is pretty much stuck. We won't be trying this gum. Stuck to whatever card this is. Herman Fontenot. We'll probably end up tossing this card out. It's got some damage to it and some stain. Hopefully that's not anybody important. It does not look like it's his rookie year, so that's a plus. So we'll put that in the pack there. Let's see what else we've got in here. All right, 1,000-yard club. Mark Carrier. We've got Keith Woodside, Floyd Dixon, Christian Okoye. Might be missaying that. Topps All Pro. Zordich saves the day. Greg Cragen. Draft pick of Jeff George. Andre Reed. Now that name sounds familiar. What the hell? It sounds familiar to me, so we'll put him up there. Lewis Sharp. Dennis Gentry. Mike Munchak. Bert Grossman. Rich Moran. Don Griffin. And finally, Tim McDonald. And then, of course, the damaged Herman Fontenot card. All right, 1990 Topps football. Let me know if anybody's a rookie in there.